हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू बैकपैक विद कुश। तो आज हम बात करेंगे पचमढ़ी की। तो पचमढ़ी, ऑल्सो नोन एज सतपुड़ा की रानी, सिट्स ब्यूटीफुली अमिड्स द सतपुड़ा रेंज इन मध्य प्रदेश। पचमढ़ी is roughly 200 kilometers from भोपाल and roughly 385 kilometers from इंदौर। आप यहाँ पे ट्रेन से भी जा सकते हैं। तो पिपरिया इज द नियरेस्ट रेलवे स्टेशन टू पचमढ़ी। वहाँ से दिस प्लेस इज रफली 50 किलोमीटर। तो Pachmadi is not just known for its natural beauty, but there are a lot of interesting folklores associated with this place. So let's just explore a few. As per the epic Mahabharata, पांडव अपना सब कुछ कौरवों से हार गए थे जुए के एक खेल में। तो as part of their exile, they had to spend 1 year in anonymity. तो ऐसा माना जाता है कि अपने अज्ञातवास में पांडव सतपुड़ा के जंगलों में 5 गुफाओं में रहते थे। Hence, giving the place its name, Pach मतलब 5, Madi मतलब गुफा. The archaeologists have confirmed that the origin of these caves dated back to the Buddhist era, but the name, however, stayed with the folklore. Another folklore gives Pachmadi its unique culture. It is believed that Vrikasur was a zealous devotee of Lord Shiva. Shiva had blessed Vrikasur with a unique power that upon touching anyone's head with his hands, the person will burn up and turn into ashes.
और वो वक्त था कि वो जिसके भी सर पर हाथ धरेगा, वो भस्म हो जाएगा।
Hence, the demon started to go by the name Bhasmasur. Now, Bhasmasur soon got drunk with his own powers, and to become the most powerful person on the earth, he decided to burn Shiva.
पर वरदान पाते ही भस्मासुर ने महादेव को ही भस्म करने की ठानी।
Shiva, on hearing the news, ran and hid in the caves of Satpura, which resembles like a 100-headed divine snake Sheshnag.
इधर भस्मासुर से पीछा छुड़ाने के लिए महादेव पचमढ़ी पधारे और एक गुफा में अंतर्ध्यान हो गए।
In that temple, Shiva shed his hair to disguise himself, and hence the temple started to go by the name Jatashankar Mahadev. The caves of Jatashankar link to Gupt Mahadev temple and Bada Mahadev temple. This helped Shiva roaming in the forest of Satpura without being spotted by Bhasmasur. Shiva prayed to Vishnu for help.
ये अनर्थ होता देख श्री हरि विष्णु वैकुंठ छोड़कर महादेव की सहायता के लिए धरती लोक पहुंचे।
Vishnu, in form of an alluring lady, Mohini, appeared in front of Bhasmasur.
उधर भस्मासुर का ध्यान भटकाने के लिए श्री हरि मोहिनी रूप में प्रकट हो गए
And hypnotized him to dance with him by imitating her.
वो दानव वन प्रदेश में इतनी सुंदर स्त्री को देखकर उस पर मोहित हो गया।
Mohini, with her beauty, tricked Bhasmasur to place his hand on his head.
मोहिनी ने भस्मासुर को बातों में लगाकर ऐसा दाव खेला कि भस्मासुर ने अपने ही सर पर हाथ रख दिया
And thus killing the demon.
और शिव वरदान के प्रभाव से खुद ही जलकर भस्म हो गया।
The forests of Satpura are full of natural herbs such as gurmar, wild onion, shilaji, which is used in both allopathy and Ayurvedic medicines. The rocks of Satpura ranges are made up of sandstone. These rocks retain and store water during the rains and precipitate during the dry season. This gives an evergreen aura to the forest throughout the year. One of the famous falls of the region, Bee Falls, gets its name because of a lot of beehives being sheltered around the fall.
यहाँ का तो शायद है ना वर्ल्ड में दूसरे नंबर का शायद है, पता आप लोगों को।
Unavailability of flowers in the region forces bees to extract their nectar from the plants. This gives the famous Pachmadi honey a bitter aftertaste. We stayed there for 3 days, which I believe is not enough to explore the entire hill station. but I hope you love this virtual visit to the Queen of Satpura. If you like exploring places, then do visit this amazing hill station in Madhya Pradesh. And if you already have, then share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time.